Budweiser and PUMA sponsor NBA player Dwayne Wade and Manchester City sports non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Continue to watch if you want to learn more. Before we go into detail, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content. And if you want to continue getting this value for free, help us win the YouTube algorithm. You know what to do. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today. Former professional basketball player in the US Dwayne Wade is teaming up with Budweiser Zero, a non-alcoholic beer that he co-founded and helped launch in 2020 in an attempt to break into the Budverse and the realm of non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Dwayne Wade X Budweiser Zero Edition NFT series will debut on May 24 as a result of the partnership. It was only a matter of time until NFTs made their way into sports sponsorships as part of promotional campaigns. If the projects are appropriately managed, they can help to transfer the gloss from the sports brand onto the sponsor. The Budweiser Zero beer brand will launch a standard 3-tier scarcity collection featuring an unlimited supply of Wade's Decentralized Metaverse jersey, limited edition signed cans, and a single NFT that grants a real-life experience with the player. The NFT drop will feature custom-designed Wade graphics and quotations, as well as membership options and a charity component, as the brand will give net earnings to a grant program. Meanwhile, blockchain companies are themselves major sponsors in the sports industry. Crypto.com will sponsor FIFA's Football World Cup, Bybit sponsors Argentina national football team, and FTX US sponsors the NBA Warriors. If you want to know more about NFTs, non-fungible tokens, DeFi, decentralized finance, crypto trading, and the metaverse, then the links below will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. As part of the 10th anniversary celebration of its first Premier League triumph, Manchester City, in collaboration with PUMA, will launch their first NFT drop. This digital art piece will commemorate and bring its unique visual style to the legendary 9320 moment. The partnership has brought in the expertise of digital art creator Muston to bring his unique visual artistic design to 9320. The artwork visualizes the essence of time to symbolize 9320, the exact time the winning goal was scored. Muston also showcases PUMA's Ultra football boots, scheduled to be unveiled on Friday, May 13, as part of the 9320 celebrations. The boot was designed with the same color palette as the original PUMA V1.11, the soccer boot worn by Aguero during the said historical moment. The drop includes a limited edition of 120 pairs created to commemorate the goal and will be available on NFT marketplace MakersPlace. MakersPlace co-founder and CEO Craig Palmer commended the partnership and commitment shown by the three entities, saying it illustrates the remarkable possibilities that NFTs can create. Before we go, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content like this video you just watched. And if you got some sort of value from this video, please smash the like button, smash subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you always get alerted when we publish value-driven content like this before anyone else does. And together we win. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects, which will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today.